Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vodka orange drubbing. Now this was a request from one of the subscribers. Thanks for sharing the recipe. I will leave it in the description for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need vodka. I'm using Effin, Fanta, and orange Gatorade. Next, I'm gonna add 2 ounces of vodka. I'm gonna add Gatorade about halfway. And finally, I'm just gonna top it up with Fanta. I'm gonna give this a quick mix. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh, it's good. I thought it'd be sweeter, a little bit bubbly because of the Fanta, and I can definitely taste some vodka. I'll give it 8.5 out of 10. And that's how you make the vodka orange drubbing. Alright, if you guys liked the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!